Hey there, fellow PDF enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to compare two PDF files in Adobe Acrobat for 2025. Whether you're a student double-checking edits, a professional reviewing contracts, or just someone trying to spot changes in documents, this feature is a total lifesaver. It's quick, accurate, and way easier than manually scanning pages. So, let's jump right in and get you up to speed in just a few minutes. First things first, make sure you have Adobe Acrobat installed on your computer. If you're using the 2025 version, it's even more intuitive with updated tools. Start by launching the app and signing in with your Adobe ID if you haven't already. Once you're in, head over to the main interface. Step 1. Click on the Tools tab, usually found on the right-hand side of the screen. This is your gateway to all the powerful features Adobe offers. Step 2. In the Tools menu, scroll down and select Compare Files. This option might be under a subcategory like Organize Pages, or directly in the main list, depending on your view settings. Step 3. Now, you'll see a dialog box pop up. Here, you can upload or select the two PDF files you want to compare. Just drag and drop them into the designated areas or browse your files. Adobe supports various file sources, including cloud storage like OneDrive or Google Drive. Step 4. Choose your comparison preferences. For 2025, Adobe has enhanced options. You can select visual differences, text changes, or even annotations. Pick what suits your needs, like focusing on page layout or content edits. Step 5. Hit the Compare button and watch the magic happen. Adobe will generate a side-by-side view highlighting differences in colors, red for deletions, green for additions, and so on. You can zoom in, navigate through pages, and even export the results as a report. A quick tip: if you're dealing with large files, it might take a moment to process, so be patient. Also, remember to save your work regularly to avoid losing any insights. There you have it. That's how you compare two PDF files in Adobe Acrobat for 2025. It's straightforward, efficient, and can save you hours of manual work. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.